Hello and welcome to PPLIO. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to install the PPLIO People Connect app on your Windows computer. For the best experience, we recommend using a system with a 64-bit AMD or Intel processor and 8 GB of RAM. You'll receive an invitation email from PPLIO containing a download link and installation guide. Simply click the link to download the app. Next, double-click on PPLIO People Connect.msi to begin the installation. When prompted, select Yes to allow the app to make changes to your device. Once the installation is complete, the application will open automatically and display the welcome screen. You'll then be asked to verify your account. Enter your organizational email ID and click Continue. Check your inbox, including spam or junk folders, for a verification email from PPLIO. Enter the OTP provided in the email and click Verify. After successful verification, review and accept the consent agreement by clicking I agree. Next, enter your work schedule details, including your start and finish times. If required, select your manager from the drop-down list. Finally, click Save My Work Profile to confirm your details. Once complete, the PPLIO Launchpad will appear, and you'll be ready to get started. Thank you for watching.